Let's talk about choosing the right product recommendation strategy. Product recommendations are key to boosting sales and driving customer engagement. But there are a lot of different strategies that work for different audiences and different scenarios. Purchase-based strategies like recently purchased help to drive repeat purchases. Contextual strategies like similar or viewed together help encourage product discovery. To get the best results, you need to identify differences between segments of users and then tailor the experiences based on their behavior and expressed interests. For example, site visitors who are viewing 5 or more products a week on a retail website should definitely be treated differently than somebody who comes to a website for the first time after clicking on a Google ad. And for those first-time visitors, general recommendations like most popular are usually pretty effective. But for loyal customers, you'll definitely have more success with a more personalized strategy. And not every strategy is going to work well for every site visitor. The best way to get started is to get specific. You want to get specific about your desired outcome as well as the target audience or individual. Use customer data, context, and behavior to get a clear view of their needs. From there, choosing the right product recommendation strategy is a lot less daunting. And pro tip, implementing these product recommendations at scale and optimizing your customer experience is going to require a pretty powerful personalization engine. And there's no substitute for testing to find out what works best for your audience. The results might surprise you.